broken accessory pins, loose GPIO sockets, and blown fuses. These are the real Flipper Zero killers. There's actually an easy way to protect your flipper against all these risks. It's the Lab401 HardShell. Takes seconds to install, doesn't require any soldering or modification, and protects your flipper completely. The battle-ready ABS HardShell protects your flipper against drops, shocks, and scratches. The silicone shoulders support your accessories and prevent broken pins. The HardShell features replaceable, fuse-protected GPIO boards. If the HardShell GPIO sockets become loose, or you blow a fuse, just swap in a new board. Et voila, your flipper is back to new in just seconds. The Lab401 HardShell includes the shelf itself, silicone shoulders, spare GPIO boards, and everything you need to assemble it. Now you know the real Flipper Zero killers and how to protect against them with the Lab401 HardShell. It's in stock right now at lab401.com.